Hello everybody, this is Montgomery and I'm looking at my glove door closer again. I fixed the leak. I took the closure down and put a new O-ring on it and put a little bit more fluid in it so the valves would work properly, and I adjusted it back to like I got the speeds back like they were. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch it. Still got the tables here, so I can't open it all the way, but here we go. The reason for the non-latching is the door hits this frame piece right here. So I'm gonna have to get that to work. Let's do it again. Sometimes this door will latch, sometimes it won't. Sometimes if I slam it a couple of times, it'll work. You know, see? There it goes. One more time. And that's it.